Experience the legend, the 2016 Holden Commodore SSV Redline. A true Australian performance icon, this VF Series 2 model delivers raw power and refined engineering in perfect balance. Under the bonnet, a thundering 6.2-litre V8 engine puts you in command of serious performance, matched to a smooth 6-speed sports automatic transmission. The sound, the surge, the presence unmistakably Commodore. The Redline edition adds Brembo brakes, a sports-tuned suspension, and track-ready handling, built to perform whether you're carving through corners or cruising the highway. Inside, it's just as impressive: leather-pointed seating, head-up display, premium audio, and advanced safety features, all wrapped in bold Aussie style. The 2016 Holden Commodore SSV Redline: power, precision, and pride. One of the last of its kind.